Okay guys, Cardi and Cardi again guys. So as you can see I made a cutout, and as you can see this one, look, there's a lot of voice car right here. So this one sit lower than the other one sit up further, which is a good thing, a very good thing. So you know, closer the cone is to here, yeah, that's a good thing. That's a very good thing. So I like that, you know. So it sit down closer. It was a deeper cone, so that make everything perfect, you know. The other one was a little bit shallow, so it sit a little higher up on the coil. So yeah, and this one sits really lower, which is supposed to be like that. Understand, guys? Just like that, or lower. But higher is good. It's not bad if it's a little bit higher, but you know, it's good, really good when it sits really lower than that higher anyway. You know, that's how it goes. So as you can see, about a inch of voice card left out right here, but it's good. So once you put the dust cap on, it won't touch anything when you do it this way. This is the company that I worked on it before. They're here in Ireland, Otis Design. Yeah, really good guys. Yeah, they do most of the subwoofer here for those guys with the iPod system and stuff like that. Yeah. And I did have to make a repair on this with let me see which one, that lead. This ground lead right here, because it was touching when you read from here to the frame, it was reading. I realized the thing that you put under it, you put a piece of it's a plastic that could work, but I put something much better that really that comes with it. So you know, so it stopped shorting out to the frame. So I fixed that problem right there. As I said, the negative pin was shorting out to the frame, and that's good. So fix it. So as I said, that's good. So yeah, shouldn't have any problem anymore. So right, I don't know. This is what I'm going to use for the cone here. The rubberized lot of base. This rubberized glue here. Yes, guys. So this is what I'm going to use around here. So I'm gonna put some on here first under the coil, and then I put it before they use silicone right here, which is good. But I now really like using this. But it's no problem using the silicone, you know, guys. So nobody go say I'm saying this is bashing nobody. I use this because I have this. I would have used the silicone if I did have silicone too. But most likely I now will use the stuff, the professional stuff that really made for it for that purpose. So yeah, so you know that's how it goes. So yes guys, as you can see, I sit up on a stool and that thing is so hard. But you know, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead, glue it, and then glue in this here right here. I don't have the black glue, but I have this with this clear one, but same thing, no problem. You know, but I rather the black, but I have the clear one for now, which I'm going to use inside here to band the cone to the coil. So yeah. So now I'm gonna band this to the frame and get back with you guys. Okay guys? Alright.